It's Monday, 8th of March. Adelaide long weekend, Adelaide Cup Day I think it is, but anyway. Sharon came down from the house and helped me finish off last night. Well, put the walls up. We put the cages on top to see how it looks. So I'll just flip the camera around. So this is what we got up to last night. Of course we've got to take out some of the soil in the bottom there. Put some sand there and then put the liner in. But it turned out pretty good. Well, it turned out better than what I thought it would, but yeah. And Sharon reckons I should put the goldfish in there, but I just want it as a sump tank. But we'll see how we go anyway. So what we need to do now is take those cages back off. At least they were lined up properly. That's how it looks. So, take the cages back off, scrape out some dirt there. Well, I had to dig down a bit, so I had to dig out those rocks. And then get some sand, put in there, then put the liners in. Since it's a public holiday, I don't know if the sand and metal places will be open today, but we'll have a look anyway. And if they are, we'll get some sand. If not, we'll have to wait another day. The sand and metal place was open, so managed to get some sand. So this is the last bit of, you see all the soil there. So I'm just going to put the sand in and level it off. So got sand all the way through now, ready for the liner. Well, it's all been filling up, been trimmed off. So what's left to do now is put the beds on and put the pump in, and then hook all of the plumbing up and fill the beds up with, yeah, so it's looking quite good. We'll see how it goes once we get all the plumbings on. Well, I thought we'd have it all done today, but still filling up with water, and had to keep going down the street to the hardware store to keep getting bits and pieces like elbows, all that for the plumbing. So I'll just flip it around, and the camera that is, and show you what we're up to. Okay, so I've been cheating using the grinder to cut the plastic pipes. Just get that out of the way. So we got from there the first bed up here. Don't need them. Most of you know what Aquaponics is and how it works. Of course, we've got everything in here: standpipe, throat. Yeah, well, I can't think of them at the moment, so you all know what it is. If not, there'll be links down saying what they are. Yep, so we've got the elbows in there, got that to drain off there. When I was down the street, Sharon emptied out this one, and I had the frame up here already, so I just had to put that bulkhead fitting in, and underneath you can see it's just hanging there. Haven't got anything screwed to there. Right down in the far corner there, that's the pipe for the first bed. Yeah, so it's slowly filling up with water. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't drop the camera in there then. And that's just filling up from the rainwater tank, the 5,000 litre tank we've got. Since it's autumn, yeah, I think we can spare the rainwater in here. I was hoping to have the pump in there, 2 beds going, dumping and filling up, but of course I don't think that's going to happen tonight. Yeah, so that's turning out better than what I expected. I'm pretty stuffed. Knees killing me, so my hand. Yeah, so I'll leave it there, and I probably do, I don't know, probably after work tomorrow I'll get back into here and do some more. Yeah, well, we'll see how we go anyway. Well, catch us all. And for those who don't know what aquaponics is about, like all the bits and pieces that you use, there's some good YouTube videos out there. I know Rob Bob's got a few, so I'll put a link down below so you can go view his ones.